Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how to delete Township account. So first of all, from the game, click on the gear icon to go to settings, then click on help and support. And now from here in the search we need to type in delete, and we need to find a article deletion of personal data. And from here, here's your instructions on how to delete your account and personal data from different platforms, so iOS and macOS, iOS and Android, and Windows. So as I am on Android, as you can see I have a screenshot of this opened as well, so I'm just going to close it, it's not necessary anymore. So you need to go to your in-game settings, go to any article in any section, tap the No button, click on Contact Us, and then you need to type in your request to opt out of the sale of your personal information, and then to have your personal data removed. Then submit it, skip everything regarding the articles being shown to you after that, it's not relevant, then select personal data and progress deletion, then confirm, and you're done. If this helped you, please do not forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.